Good day. Welcome to this first episode, hopefully the first of many, where I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on restoring your FJ40 or 45. My name is Leslie, and today we are going to look at replacing your OEM door rubbers. You can find these rubbers on my website called chasingclassiccruisers.co.za. I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you've bought the two rubbers for the left and right hand doors, make sure that you do not mix up the numbers. The left hand one is always the bigger number of the two. So the first step is going to be to mask the door everywhere where you're going to possibly touch it with your hands once you start putting the rubber in. The reason why we do that, and yeah, I've masked a little bit on the outside to show you as well as on the inside. The reason why we do that is to avoid getting glue on the freshly painted surface, because that is obviously going to spoil the surface. So the first thing that you then do is you take the rubbers out of the plastic. As I said, make sure that you know which one goes where. Put them in a bucket of sunlight liquid to wash away all the white residue that's on the rubbers. Then you leave them in the sun for a while to make sure that they dry properly, and then you can start with the process, obviously one door at a time. So the first thing I do is I place the rubber where it's supposed to go, and I mask it in place every 10 centimeters so that I can actually see where the rubber is supposed to sit. Once you start with that, you'll see that there's a very specific line that you need to follow all the way around the door, and the two halves meet at the bottom of the door over here. If it's a little bit too long, you can just cut it, but make sure that you've got it in position first before you do any cutting. So the OEM door rubber has a little incision at the top here. There you can see it just going over the screw. Now this screw you find on both the door with a quarter vent as well as the one with a full window. So I use this as my starting point to line up the door rubber. Once I've lined up the door rubber and I'm happy with the position, I start taping it into place with small pieces of masking tape, and then I use this glue. It's a super glue for rubber, but it's very runny, so one must be very careful not to put too much glue at a time. So that's why I only do it in 10 centimeter increments. So you put the glue on 10 centimeters and you tape it down, and then you go to the next section. I always start with the outside section first, going all the way around halfway to the middle here at the bottom, and then I start with the inside section going all the way around, masking it and gluing it as I go. And then where the two sections meet, if there's a little bit of extra rubber, I just cut that out and I join the two. So once I've done that, I let it stand for a little while just to make sure that everything is in place and nothing moves or sags. I then leave it for about an hour to cure to a certain extent, and then I close the door and I leave it for another couple of hours in this position for the rubber to settle against the frame of the body. You can actually leave it overnight as well as if you want to. You can obviously check it now and then to make sure that there's no glue sticking to the masking tape or any other funny things happening. And then the following morning you can open the door, and then you can remove all the masking tape, clean off the extra residue that's on the door, and then basically it's done and you can move to the other side. So in short, that is actually how I replace or put new OEM door rubbers on an FJ40 or 45. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.